In a lush green jungle, there lived a little parrot named Pico. He was small but full of courage. Pico loved flying high and helping others. One hot afternoon, while flying over the forest, Pico saw smoke rising from the trees. A fire had started. The animals were scared and running in all directions, but Pico didn't fly away. He flew to the river, dipped his wings in water, and flew back to the fire. He shook his wet wings to drop water on the flames. Again and again, Pico flew back and forth, carrying drops of water. The other animals watched him and said, "You're too small. You can't stop the fire." But Pico replied, "I must try. Even a little help can make a big difference." The creator of the jungle saw Pico's bravery. With a wave of magic, rain started to fall. The fire was soon gone, and the jungle was safe again. All the animals cheered for Pico. "You're the bravest of us all." From that day, Pico became a hero. He showed that no one is too small to make a big change.